Okay, good morning students. Continuation of last video. We see the stereoisomerism. The compounds which are having same molecular formula. The compounds which are having same molecular formula are same chemical composition, but the different spatial arrangement of ligands or groups is simply called as stereoisomers. And the phenomenon we call as stereoisomerism. Okay, in coordination complex compounds, we have the two important types of stereoisomerisms are present. In that, one is geometrical isomerism. The best example for the geometrical isomerism is cis-trans isomerism, and one more is the optical isomerism. Okay, we'll see in continuation that optical isomerism. First, we'll see the geometrical isomerism. The best example for this one is cis-trans isomerism. First, we'll see what are the geometrical isomers. Okay, the compounds which are having same molecular formula but different spatial arrangement of groups or atoms we call stereoisomers. Okay, geometrical isomers means the compounds which are having same molecular formula but different spatial arrangement of geometry, or different spatial arrangement of groups in geometry. Geometry means above the plane, below the plane, right side, left side, will mention like that. Okay, those are simply considered as geometrical isomers, and the phenomenon we call as geometrical isomerism. The best example for geometrical isomerism is cis-trans isomerism. What is the meaning of cis? What is the meaning of trans? If same groups are presented same side, we call as cis. If same groups are presented opposite side, we call as trans. Okay, in these complex compounds, if same ligands are presented same side, we call as cis. If same ligands are presented opposite side, we call as trans ligands. Okay, in continuation, we'll see some important point in this one. Coordination number 3 is there, coordination number 2 is coordination number 2, coordination number 3. These molecules never exhibit the geometrical isomerism. Coordination number 2, coordination number 3. Molecules, okay, those are not exhibit the geometrical isomerism. Which exhibit geometrical isomerism? Coordination number 4 and coordination number 6. These two molecules exhibit the geometrical isomerism. Okay, coordination number 6, we have only one type of complexes, we called octahedral complexes. These octahedral complexes exhibit isomerism. Octahedral complexes exhibit cis-trans isomerism. Which complexes exhibit? Okay, this cis-trans isomerism we'll see. Okay, just I am giving octahedral complex means coordination number 6. Octahedral complexes means coordination number 6. Okay, here M means metal ion, A means ligand, A4B2 type molecules exhibit this trans isomerism. A4BC type molecule exhibit the cis-trans isomerism. Okay, AA2B2 type, AA2BC type. All these type of molecules exhibit this cis-trans isomerism. But here these are not exhibit AA3. Okay, AA3 type of ligand. AA means this is bidentate ligand. B means monodentate ligand. C means monodentate ligand. AA means it is a bidentate ligand. See, here how many atoms are there? 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. Here it is a bidentate. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Here 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Here 3 into 2, 6 is a bidentate ligand. It is a bidentate ligand. And here M, A, B, C, D, E, F type molecules also not exhibit the this cis trans isomerism. Only this type of molecules. One is MA4B2 type, MA4BC type, MAA2B2 type, MAA2BC type molecules exhibit this. Okay, molecules exhibit this cis trans isomerism. The coordination number 6. Okay, the coordination number 6, which contain octahedral molecule, exhibit okay here cis trans isomerism. In continuation, we will see cis trans isomerism of all these molecules. Next, see in coordination number 4. In coordination number 4, molecule exhibit two types of structures. One is tetrahedral structure and second one is square planar structure. Tetrahedral structure and square planar structure. Okay, here tetrahedral structure means okay, M, L here, L here, L here, L here. This is the tetrahedral structure. Okay, all the ligands are present in tetrahedral structure. All the ligands are present in equidistance. Equidistance. So, all the tetrahedral molecules not exhibit the geometrical isomerism. All the tetrahedral molecules not exhibit the geometrical isomerism. Only square planar complexes. Square planar complexes means this type of molecules we called as square planar complexes. Here, this type of molecule we called as square planar complexes. All square planar complexes mainly exhibit okay here cis trans isomerism or geometrical isomerism. Which type of square planar complexes exhibit okay this type of isomerism? A2B2 type complexes exhibit this type of isomerism. A2BC type molecule exhibit this type of isomerism, and ABCD type also exhibit cis trans isomerism, but not here. MA4 type not exhibit the MA4 type molecules not exhibit the okay here cis trans isomerism. One of the glycine containing molecules also okay glycine ligand containing molecules also exhibit cis trans isomerism, and some of the polynuclear molecules. Some of the polynuclear complexes also exhibit cis trans isomerism. Okay, glycine ligand containing molecules and polynuclear complexes, and here square planar complexes exhibit okay here cis trans isomerism. This is about the just introduction of the geometrical isomerism. Okay, cis trans isomerism. Okay, in continuation, we'll see. We will see that here coordination number 4 in square planar complexes. Geometrical isomerism in coordination square planar complexes. Coordination number 4 in square planar complexes. 4 square planar complexes. Okay, geometrical isomerism in coordination number 4 square planar complexes. First, here I will take one example. First example, MA2B2 type. What is the meaning of MA2B2 type? M means ligand, A2 means, sorry, M means center of metal atom, A means one ligand, B means one ligand. Okay, here I want to show the cis-trans isomerism of this one. First, here I am writing, and example for this. Here I am writing example. Okay, here you take anyone. Suppose nickel. Here I am taking nickel. NH3 taken dies Cl2. This is the one complex. See, nickel one ligand 2 and one ligand 2. A2B2 type. Okay, here I am writing cis and trans are square planar complexes. Square planar. This is the square planar structure. Okay, here central metal atom M. Okay, here bond, all forms, all donate the. Okay, all ligands, A ligand, B ligand donate the electron towards metal atom. Okay, here I am writing one more. Trans. Here central metal atom. All donate, 4 donate here. Or now. Next, same side means you take like this. Okay, you take here geometry now. Geometry means like this. Above the plane, below the plane. Okay, here A, B, B. Here A, here A, here B, here B. See here, same ligands are presented same side. Same ligands are presented same side. So we called this one cis isomer. And here this we called trans isomer. We called trans isomer. This is cis and this is trans. See, example here. This is the example. What is the name of this one? Dichlorodiamine, dichloro, nickel. Okay, here -2, so here +2, nickel 2 complex. This is the IUPAC name of this molecule. Okay, here I am writing 2 structures. Here I am writing 2 structures. Okay, here central atom is nickel. Here also central atom is nickel. 4 ligands donate electrons. Okay, here I am writing ammonia. Here also I am writing ammonia. Here I am writing chlorine. Here I am writing chlorine. And here I am writing ammonia. Here I am writing ammonia. Here chlorine. Here chlorine. See, same groups are presented same side. Same groups are presented opposite side. So this is we called cis. Then this called trans. Okay, we called as trans. Okay, this is the first one. Cis-trans isomerism of MA2B2 type isomers. Then in continuation, we will see the MA2BC type. MA2BC type. Second one, MA2BC type. A2BC type complexes. ACBT type complexes means here I am writing cis. Okay, here I am writing cis and trans. Here coordinate covalent bond, not the single covalent bond. Okay, here M. A. If same groups are presented same side, here it is called cis. Here A, here C, here B. C. Same groups are presented opposite side, we called trans. Example for this one, you take same molecule nickel NH3 taken 2 times Cl Br. What is the name of this one? Bromo, first amino, right? Amino, diamino, right? Amino, okay, bromo, chloro, nickel, 2 complex. This is the IUPAC name of this molecule. Okay, here I am drawing here. Here I am drawing here. This is all coordinate covalent bonds. Here also coordinate covalent bonds. Okay, here nickel as usual, nickel. Okay, ammonia is there too. Right here ammonia to same side. Here chlorine, here bromine. Here write ammonia to in opposite side. Here write chlorine as usual. Here bromine. See, same groups are presented opposite side. Here same groups are presented same side. Here same groups are presented opposite side. So this is cis. This is trans. Okay, just I want to show all this. Here A same side, B same side. Here A opposite side, B opposite side. Here ammonia same side. Here ammonia opposite side. Here also ammonia same side. Here ammonia opposite side. Okay, here A same side, A opposite side. See, this we called as, see, all these molecules, in all these molecules, okay, in all these molecules, see, same groups are presented, same side means we mentioned cis, same groups are presented, opposite side means or opposite geometry, we called as trans. Cis, trans, isomerism. Okay, this is about the Ma2B2 type complexes, Ma2BC type complexes. Next, in continuation, we will see the one more important MABCD type complexes. This is one of the specific geometrical isomerism of square planar complexes. See here. ABCD type complexes. ABCD type complexes means here you take central metal atom. Okay, here I am writing 3 complexes. All these coordinate covalent bonds. Here also I am writing coordinate covalent bonds. Central metal atom is the M, here M. Okay, first you take here A, here you take B, here you take C, here you take D. Okay now, and here A is cis with B, A is cis with B, C cis with D. Here A cis with B. Okay, here A cis with B. Here I am writing first complex A cis with B. Here I am writing as it is A. Here I am writing D. Here I am writing B. Here I am writing C. A cis with D. A cis with D. Here I am writing C. A, here as usual write B, D. Here A cis with C. A cis with C. See here, in all the cases, in first case, B is the cis. Here I mentioned, here D is the cis, and here C is the cis with the A. Okay, trans also as usual. One time A is cis with D, trans with D. A is trans with D. Here A is trans with C. Sometimes we mention like this. This type of isomers. This is also one type of geometrical isomerism. Next, MAVC complex means here I am taking same complex. Example for same complex: nickel, ammonia, water, chlorine, bromine. 4 are there. What is the name of this molecule? Amine, aqua, bromo, chloro, nickel, 2 complex. Over here also I am writing 3. First write 1 complex. Here I am writing second complex. Here I am writing third complex. Okay. In all the cases, nickel is the central atom. First nickel. Here nickel. Here also nickel. C. You take the reference as the ammonia. First you take water. Here chlorine. Here bromine. Here you take ammonia. Okay, here take chlorine, bromine, water. Here you take ammonia. Okay, here you take bromine. Okay, here chlorine. Here water. See, in this molecule, just position of ammonia is common. Position of ammonia is common. First, here water is cis. Ammonia, okay, cis with the water. Here ammonia cis with the chlorine. Here ammonia cis with the bromine. Cis with the bromine. This is the one more important complex. Okay, one more important complex of chlorphenyl molecules. Coordination number 4. Okay, some of the glycine containing. Glycine means NH2, CH2, COO minus. Okay, here COOH or COO minus mentioned like this. The glycine containing complexes also exhibit the cis-trans isomerism. How they exhibit cis-trans isomerism? It is one of the glycine is, see here negative charge is there, that means 1. Here lone pair of electron is there, 2. That means it is didentate or we mentioned bidentate. We mentioned bidentate. Same molecule nickel. Okay, here I am writing NH2, CH2, COO minus. This is the one of the bidentate ligand. What is the name of this molecule? Here I am writing bis. 2 are there. You mentioned glycinato. Okay, bis glycinato, nickel. Here minus 2 into 2. Minus 2 na. 2 minus means 2 minus 2 negative charges are there. That means 2 positive charges are present. Nickel 2. Okay, nickel 2. We mentioned like this complex. It is a complex. And see the structure of cis-trans isomerism of this glycine containing complexes. This is here I am writing nickel, Glycine means first NH2 bond linkage, here CH2 and here C double bond O linkage. Same as is NH2, same side CH2 and here C double bond O. O linkage is same side, NH2 linkage is same side, so it is we called cis. It is we called cis. That molecule we called as cis. Next, just I want to write the trans here. Same molecule. Just I will show here trans. First, I am writing complex. Central metal atom is the nickel. Here I am writing NH2, CH2, C double bond O minus. This side I wrote as this. Okay, here I am writing oxygen, C double bond O, CH2, NH2. See, opposite side is there. Here nitrogen and oxygen presented opposite same side here. Here nitrogen presented same side, so we called here cis. Here opposite side nitrogen presented opposite side, so we called this one trans. The glycine containing molecules also exist. Okay, cis trans isomerism. Some of the polynuclear molecule bridged complexes. Just I'll give about that one. Some of the polynuclear bridged complexes. Polynuclear or binuclear bridged complexes also exhibit cis-trans isomerism. Okay, polynuclear bridged complexes. Here I am taking polynuclear bridged complexes. Here I am taking one example, platinum. Here OH. Here OH. These two are the bridged ligands. Here also platinum. C. Same as this, here I am writing one more. It is a polynuclear. Poly means more than one. Bridge means bridge group is there. Polynuclear bridge complexes. Okay, for example, here En is there. Here also En is there. Here Br is there. Here also Br. En means ethylene diamine. See, same groups are present at same side, so it is be called as cis. Here same En. Okay, here En, here Br, here Br. Okay, these same groups are presented opposite side, then we called trans. This is, okay, it is cis, it is trans. What is the name of this molecule? Okay, by writing this one, first we write the bridge ligands, mu, mu, yesterday I said, when bridge ligand is there, you mention the mu, mu, dihydroxo, hydroxide also is there, dihydroxo. And here, one side, ethylene diamine is there, ethylene diamine and bromo, ethylene diamine bromo, platinum, minus 1, here minus 1, here minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. It is neutral, it is neutral. 4 are there, 4 means chain 2, here plus 2, here plus 2. Platinum 2 complex. Okay, this is, it is same name, it is cis, it is trans. This is the, okay, geometrical isomerism or cis-trans isomerism in coordination number is the one exceptional case. In continuation, we'll see the next video. We'll see the coordination number 6 along with the optical isomerism. Thank you.